Inamin ni Chris Aquino na pagod na siya sa mga kumakalat na chismis na kinulam umano siya, kaya lumala ang kaniyang kalagayan. Sa kaniyang latest Instagram post, kung saan in-interview ni Chris si Rudy C. Fariñas na tumatakbo bilang kinatawan ng probinsyano ako party list, nilinaw ni Chris na hindi bunga ng kulam ang kaniyang karamdaman kundi isang seryosong kondisyon. Matagal ko nang gustong tumira sa tabing dagat kasi yung simoy ng hangin sobrang nakakatulong. Bukas na lang after my PET scan, I will tell you the truth because I am so tired of seeing I am dead. Na itong healer ang may solusyon, na may kumulam sa akin, please stop, giit niya. Sa kabila naman ng iniindang sakit, nananatiling matatag ang pananampalataya ni Chris. My faith in God's mercy, in the salvation from Jesus Christ becoming man, and in Mama Mary's mantle of protection, it remains strong. Let's all continue to pray for everyone experiencing pain daily, dagdag pa niya. Samantala narito ang buong panayam ni Chris kay Rudy Fariñas bilang hayagang pag-endorso na rin ni Chris sa probinsyano ako party list ni Rudy Fariñas ng Quezon City.
Mild. Mas matapang ang lasa ng garlic dito. Diba? Pero ang napansin din natin doon, na-spoil tayo.
And, yung portion size sa akin.
Yeah, and yung ang dami talagang parang pag pumasok ka, there are 3 supermarkets na all organic.
Yeah.
Ang tanong ko kasi, nagpakapal na ako, maganda yung beach house ninyo. Sabi ko, what can I look forward to? Kasi kailangan ko talaga yung fresh sea air. So anong meron sa Ilocos na parang wala sa ibang mga probinsya? Dahil nga, probinsyano ako.
Well, if you're asking me, there's still no place like home, of course. I grew up there. I know everyone knows me.
Ganun ba doon?
Every time,
you know everyone?
Yeah. It's not that big of a town. Now it is. It's medyo modernized na rin. There's traffic na rin.
So, is there SNR?
None yet.
Okay.
But there's Robinsons and new SM is opening up.
Yes, I know about the new SM. I was told about that. Yay. Wow. Starbucks.
Yeah, there's new Starbucks.
Woo!
It's right next to our bus station.
Yay!
Naku, Miss Chris, ang dapat mo yata itanong kung may online shopping doon.
Hindi, gano'n katagal pag-order ng Shopee?
Padala mo na lang sa Fariñas Trans, padala na lang natin sa Lawag.
You're not considering how much I order.
Ito, please,
It's a bus.
It's a bus.
I can fall that bus.
Dito para sa akin, wag na. Please, no.
There are like 20 buses a day. Kaya yan.
Everybody's a job. So, ano mga jobs ang pwedeng makuha na gusto mong i-implement etong last term mo? Na dapat talaga, di ba lahat naman tayo? Kailangan maging masipag.
When you say jobs, what do you mean by it?
Kasi di ba, you're already talking about agriculture na hindi nabibigyan ng sapat na pansin na maging mas modern. Pero ano pa? Besides that, kasi there are areas na kahit anong gawin mo, mabato, hindi masyadong dinadaanan ng ulan, ano yung pwedeng gawin?
Well, of course, when it comes to lawmakers, parang we're always striving past that next big thing. Yeah. There's always that pursuit of always looking for the next thing the country needs. But
ako, isang request.
Yes.
Pwede?
Yes, of course.
Pwede.
I'm open to suggestions.
For me kasi, ang hirap pumunta sa isang tourist destination na walang hospital na a tertiary hospital. What that means is full service talaga, lalo na kung may karamdaman ka.
Lalo na pag emergency, no?
Yes, hinahanap yan ng mga turista.
Yes.
Kasi mahal magpa-airlift.
Meron actually, it's a bill pending right now. It's a bill that is parang promoting na magkaroon or mabibigyan ng funding ng lahat ng region may ATEX hospital. but it's still pending right now.
Sana naman mabigyan.
Well, like I was about to say, lahat naman ng presidente na dumaan parang may talagang focus sila, 'di ba? As much as possible, they'd like to focus on everything.
Yeah.
But mostly, what they focus on is build. Minsan na di mo na iiwasan na iiwan yung like health and agriculture minsan. Because the current course is build more or build, mga ganon. So,
Wait.
sometimes...
Past admin yun. Yung current admin, parang tinuloy.
Yeah.
Okay, so, kasi Kenoy, pwede ako maging proud. All those roads na sinasabi mong mas mabilis ngayon,
Yes.
pondo niya yan.
Yes.
Dahil kung walang corrupt, walang mahirap.
Yes.
Totoo yan. And
Yes.
maraming salamat. Thank you, Mama Lloyd. So much fun to be with you. Oh, I love you more. At pabaan ka galing sa akin.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you so much. Umumunang kunin pala, binabalik ko na yung sasakyan sa'yo. Nakalimutan ko, hirap na hirap ako umakyat.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, that's all I like. Yay!
Ako magna-thank you talaga.
What?
This means a lot to me.
Oh, it should. You're the first. And like, why?
Only you. Yeah.
They missed that.
Yes, definitely.
And definitely, I have missed all of you.
Yes.
Okay, so maraming salamat po sa darating. It's May 12, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Monday.
Yep.
Yes.
It's Monday.
Yeah, me too.
Maraming mga kaibigan ako na magba-birthday. So, sana po, yung pumili tayo ng alam na natin na tutulungan tayo, subok na sa serbisyo, at maganda ang adhikain. Did I pronounce it correctly?
Perfect.
Okay. Hindi, yun. At nakita na walang ginagawang hindi maganda. Yung pera ng gobyerno talagang hindi tinatouch.
Oh, yeah.
At all. Yeah. So, at dapat yung kita na natin na, ay, wow, okay to. Diba? At may mga na-accomplish talaga. Doon dapat ang boto. Hindi lang, of course, maganda yung mga sikat. Meron ako mga friends na sikat. Yeah, na tumatakbo. Pero, isipin po natin, sino ba talaga ang worthy? Yung parang, sino yung, kanino natin ibibigay ang ating mga boto? Dapat, yung aalagaan tayo. And I think, ang probinsyano ako, aalagaan kayo at ako.
Yes!
Yay!
Number 127 po sa balota. Yeah.